What's good at te whānau? Welcome back to another episode of our Māori Phrase a Day. Today's Māori phrase. Go mid-book. Mid-book today. He aha tō pīrangi. What do you want? Some responses for that. He tia karete, a chocolate, he aporo, a apple, he ahi creamy, an ice cream, he koronoa iho, nothing. So for a bit of an example, whānau, if I'm just chilling at home, minding my own business, and you got those cuzzies that just come barging in the door, "Hey, my cuz, hey, he aha tō pīrangi, what do you want?" And they may reply with, "He ahi creamy, of course." Or just be like, "Carl, look at you, look at me, we both need he aporo." Oh, but that's our Māori phrase for the day, whānau. Please always remember, if it's incorrect or mispronounced it, please comment down below so we can all get it right. And always remember, it's a good day to have a good day, whānau, so go and have a good day.